Alright, so what we're going to start out with is a board that I know has good straight edges. As you can see, I marked just a random line straight down, and going to give her a little test cut. Well, damn, she's pretty spot on. But let's measure anyway. I could use my calipers, but I don't really know where they're at. We know it came off. Where did it come off? Come off over here. Like this. Alright, got her zeroed out. Let's measure A. Looks like, alright, so 0.3045. Let's measure B. 2.9. Of course, my battery is dying, so we're off a hair. So now we move it. It's not really enough to move, though, in all reality. 2.9 versus 3.0. I mean, you're looking at nothing. Alright, so we know that's, I mean, I remeasured in different locations, and it's spot on. You're going to run it through the planer anyway. And the amount that it's off is not worth messing with. Once you run that through the planer, you're good to go. So let's try resawing and see how well that turns out. So I'm going to go find another piece of wood because I don't want to cut through that. That's going to be useful at some point. Alright, so what I got now is a piece of oak that is 6 1/4 by, I don't know, a little over 1 inch, but that doesn't matter. So now we're going to see if we can get it to resaw and see what kind of runout we have there. So got kind of a little scribe line marked, and I know one edge is square to the table, and I am using a small fence, so there might be some user error here, but we're going to try it anyway. Alright, so A, B, B. That looked like it was pretty good to my line. Let's move you this way. Now this part from here down I know was all me. So not even going to measure that. Look. Hanging shit off, stuff on the floor. Alright, so what we got here? We got 0.23. We got 6.24. So I guess it wasn't a video on fixing runout, but testing runout. That's pretty weird since I just put it all back together and those were my first tests. A lot better than it was before. Well, now you know how to test it anyway. Alright. Have a wonderful day.